It just takes a little bit of work.
Yeah. Here's what's this. Pick me up on. Oh yeah, that feels awesome.
Face forward. And now, I'm going to give you your toggle. You got to step off your lines. So, this one goes to the back, that one goes to the front. Got that one? Okay. Now you ready? Okay, face forward. Ready? Let's feel the wind. Wait.
In the regions of my soul are these oceans ever wide, as I quest to behold across the great divide. I've been drifting on the sea in search of the truth in me. Oh, lonely starry night, hold me gently in your light. I'm riding on the wave.
Steer to me.
Through the wreckage of my past, beyond the wasteland and the
Hands up a little and steer to me. Yeah.
to find forgiveness at last, in the valley of the fall.
Yeah, it was. So, how'd you like that flight?
A lot.
Yeah.
It was really fun.
You're great.
I'm just gonna look over this way. I also have really cold hands, so
You have cold hands?
just gonna.
Well, that was worth doing. Working in the garden all day, or most of the day anyway, and we decided to get a little bit of flight time. So worth it. And I know that not everybody's going to be able to do this, because maybe you don't feel like you have the skill to put your kids up in the air, but start by getting that skill with yourself. You know, exactly what I just did. You know, skydiver to skydiver, you can help each other fly. You know, just push them forward. You need airspeed to get off the ground, and to get airspeed you need the wing over your head and fully inflated, so you got to use everything. You know, use all 6 of your inputs, keep flying the wing, and it's so easy, a 7-year-old can do it.
There's a knowing in your eyes, and there are angels by your side. I'm riding on the wave through the wreckage of my past, beyond the wasteland and the plain, to find forgiveness at last, in the valley of the void, where the secrets are destroyed, comes the light, love's reality, breathing me into the dream. Oh, great light, love's reality, breathe me into the dream. All I've ever wanted, all I'll ever need, all that I
How fast can you play it? How old are you, mister?
7.
7 years old. Woohoo! High five. You're awesome. Good morning, everybody. So we're giving the animals a little outside time. Laura's got them out in the compost, our little critters. So yeah, garden's getting some nice sunshine in the morning. Although we're gonna have to get a tree guy to help us out here. It's just gonna get darker and darker. So I've been working hard on the area that will be the chicken coop and the compost. So we're thinking, wait a minute, if the chicks hang out in the compost, then they poop in the compost, which is really good. Really, really good for the soil. Hello. Hello. What you got there? What you got there? Some sort of a worm, I think. Hello. Hello. Hello, hello. I think they look like hawks.
I like that they don't look like
They don't look like regular chickens.
yellow or white chicken. They kind of look more like birds than
They look,
do.
I think they look like hawks.
Like we have little eaglets.
Yeah. Hot baby Sadie.
The only difference is eaglets can't even feed themselves. They're like,
That's true.
this is
These guys can take, oh, we got a worm. We got a worm.
Yeah.
Ooh, we got a worm. Oh, go get that worm. Ooh, he's running away. My worm, my worm. I'm gonna eat in peace over here.
Sadie's like, what are they eating? I want to try some of that. She's like, whatever they've got, I want some. I want some. Right, Sadie? You want some of that, don't you? You're like, whatever they've got, I want some of it. That's a good girl. Oh, that's me. It's me.
Doing in
It's
the
not
tree.
the flies attacking you.
I know, that's camouflage. Hey, we got another one coming. There's another boy. Joshua! Don't worry, you're going to get muddy when you come out here.
Hello. Hello. He's perched on me.
The earthworms are this like endless supply.
I know, it's good nutrition. Hello, Mr. Joshua.
I see. No bite. What? Here. They're poking around.
Yeah.
They're everywhere. Well, the idea is to get them in the compost because their poop is good for the soil, right? And then we'll grow food with that.
Look, what's this? You see this one? It's already over here. Ready? Go. Look what he's done.
Watch the wind machine.
Just start walking.
Yeah, I did put one out there. You can do it. I put one up there.
Did it like it?
There's a Matthew in a tree. It didn't seem to mind, but it didn't want to jump off. It was like when given the choice to stay there or jump onto me, it chose to jump onto me and let me carry it back to the.
Come get it. Go get it. Ha. Come on.
The dandelion seeds. They're like, that's the best thing ever.
From the other side, that's hilarious.
They get so excited. They have a little trouble getting it without my help.
Little chicken butt. What's up, chicken butt?
Yeah. They're like, oh, that's the best ever. They make little beeping noises.
Their happiness.
Satisfaction.
walking down the gravel road to the woods where the red fern grows. This is where my driven world ends, as I join in the circle with my friends. We gather in the spring of each year to celebrate our growth with our cheers, releasing our dreams into seeds with a joy that grows taller than the trees. And we reach for the sun as we dance with the drums, gathering the reds on the lawn.
So the garden's growing. Very excited about all the progress here. Let's take a look. So improvement on the door. Better drainage down here. That was important. It was getting muddy. These guys are a little slow. It's funny. They are definitely all alive. A little charred. But ironically, the ones that I put up here in this planter are way ahead. Look at the difference, you know, for scale, right? That's some big, beautiful leaves. So I'm not sure why. Different soil, better drainage, better location. Maybe it gets more sun. I don't know. But look at, yeah, that guy needs to go in the ground. We're going to do that today. Look at these potatoes. That's all potato plants. That's awesome. And the shard is looking happy. And now finally these guys are looking happy. Yeah, I think that's broccoli. And these are all radish, I think. There's probably some mixes. Like I said, I think we double planted in some places. Okay, these radishes are looking big. That's going to be food soon. And these guys have gone to seed. That's the kale. And that's a good thing. We want it to go to seed because we need more. That's an old kale plant from several years ago.